ଅଲ୍ ଥିଙ୍ଗ ବ୍ରାଇଟ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ବ୍ୟୁଟିଫୁଲ୍ ପାଠର କିଛି ସମ୍ଭାବ୍ୟ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ଉତ୍ତର। ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଆକର୍ଡିଂ ଟୁ C.F. ଆଲେକ୍ସାଣ୍ଡାର ଇଜ୍ ପର୍ପଲ୍ ହେଡେଡ୍? ମାଉଣ୍ଟେନ୍। What did God make in water? Winter cold wind. Where, according of C.F. Alexander, do you play? In the meadow. In the meadow. Where do the roses grow? By the water. What has God given to little birds? Teeny wings. B. Write the rhyming words of the following words. ଦେଇଛେ beautiful. Beautiful ରହିବ wonderful, small, all, singing, wings, play, day, sky, by ହେଲା rhyming words. Next, second କହିଛେ multiple assessment ଦେଇଛେ write the meaning of the underlined words. All creature great and small. ତା ହେଲା animals. Each little flower that opens blooms. Each little flower open that blooms. He made their glowing colors bright. Option 3 रहा bright. He made their glowing colors. He made their teeny wings very small. How great is God Almighty? Meadow. A letter to God କିଛି ସମ୍ଭାବ୍ୟ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ତ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି। Where were the smaller children playing? The smaller children were playing near the house. When did Lencho write a letter? Lencho wrote the letter following Sunday at break. Why did the boy run out? The boy ran out to collect frozen pearls. What was the postmaster like? The postmaster was a fat and amiable person. Why did not Lencho show the slightest surprise on seeing the money? The money because he was confident of getting it. Next, B ଅଛି. Answer the following question each in a words of paragraph. What did Lencho see throughout the morning to the northeast sky? What did Lencho consider the raindrop? New coins. What did Lencho prefer? A plug of locust. What did Lencho write the envelope to the god? Who did Lencho have firm faith in? God. Next, multiple assessment. Write the meaning of underline the words amble. Amble अर्थ friendly and pleasant. Crooks. Crooks अर्थ होचे dishonest people. Contentment अर्थ होचे satisfaction. Crest अर्थ होचे top. Downpour अर्थ होचे heavy rainfall. Write a single word of the following expression and act of writing letters. Correspondence. A firm decision. Resolution. In an inner sense of right or wrong. Conscience. Insect which flying in a big group of and destroy crops. Luctus. Foretell the future. Predict. ଏଥିରେ କିଛି ଲେଟର୍ ଟୁ ଗଡ଼ର କିଛି ସମ୍ଭାବ୍ୟ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ଉତ୍ତର। ନେକ୍ସଟ ଅଛି ଏଟ୍ ଦ ହାଇସ୍କୁଲ। What did Gandhi win after pass the second standard? Gandhi won prize after he passed the second stand. Who made gymnastics compulsory for the boys of upper standard? Gandhi's headmaster, Mr. D.E. Jimmy made. What comes directly in the way Gandhi serviced his father? Compulsory exercise come directly in the way of Gandhi's service to his father. How did Gandhi feel as soon as he entered the sixth standard? Gandhi became disheartened as soon entered the sixth standard. What was Gandhi fashion teacher like? Gandhi fashion teacher was very good and considerate. B. Answer the following question in each in a words of paragraph. What did Gandhi guard jealously? His character. Kala. Put. What was the Gandhi convicted of? Lying. Who was Gandhi Sanskrit teacher? Krishna Shankar Pandey. Gandhi neglect thing at high school one. In gymnastics, what is the other thing? Handwriting. What was the proof a harder task of Gandhi? Sanskrit. 2. Meaning of underlined words. Obtain. Obtain अर्थ होचे got. Commence अर्थ होचे began. Scratched अर्थ होचे holy. Nation. Nation अर्थ होचे impression and idea. Gandhi Sanskrit teacher was a latent as a convict. Next thing is portfolio दीजिए answer any two question. Next अच्छे at the high school. Where was Timothy discovered? From among the root of banyan tree. How many elephants were there hunting expedition? 15. Elephant. What was the given to Tiger Cub when the milk proof reached him? Raw mutton and cold liver oil. Who were glad to receive Timothy's gift? The zoo authorities. Who was disturbing the tiger in the zoo? Leopard. B. Answer the following question କହିଛି. Where did grandfather know better than most people? Grandfather knew the forest surely hills better than the people. What did the sportsman see during the hunting expedition? The sportsman saw number of deer, peacock, and wild boar. Who were Timothy companions at home? Tato, a monkey. Who named the tiger cub? Rusican born grandmother named the tiger cub. Who did the grandfather want to meet the Jew? Grandfather. Multiple assignment. Who are the speaker of the following statement? But sir, it's not your tiger. क्यों कहला? Old keeper कहला. Please continue your conversation. The surprise new keeper. I am talking to Timothy, grandfather. I have never been able to touch him myself. The surprise keeper. I realize he's no longer mine, grandfather. ଏ କହୁଛି କ ସ୍ତମ୍ଭ ଖ ସ୍ତମ୍ଭ যেটা জোটা হব যেটা মোহাম্মদ হচ্ছে কুক পিজিয়ন হচ্ছে টেম্পটিং ডাইট টোটো হচ্ছে মঙ্কি লিওপার্ড হচ্ছে স্টুপিড লକ୍ଷ୍ନୌ হচ্ছে ନିୟରେଷ୍ଟ ଜୁ। ଏ ରହିଲା ସମ୍ଭାବ୍ୟ ଏଫଏମ୍ର କିଛି ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ଉତ୍ତର।